Red Bull, this is a C Power Christian Cowboy. Sorry about how I just intro myself, but right now we are playing with a new friend of ours that we just got. What am I gonna get? That was an accident. Whoops. And who's shooting it? How do I sound, guys? Japanese. You got to do that! That's cheating! I'll put you under a pair of cement shoes! You got to do that, or else we'll put you under a pair of cement shoes! I can't even walk. I can't even run. How am I supposed to do all this? Yeah, I can. Hi. Hi there! Hi there! Nope. X. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh! He's just like me when I was hard on my dad, pounding me straight up, like me when I was straight up fighting my dad on some war game when we were fighting each other. Well, I got him straight up to the ground. Who knows what happened then? What's the fuck? What am I saying? I like the Japanese sound in the background. Alright, can't be fooled. There he is. Did he just... Oh, crap. No. Get out of here, get out of here. No, 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 no. Block. Oh, frick. I'm so dead. I'm so killed. I just got retired, dude. Die. Oh, sure. Yeah. Did you just seriously do that? That's it. Oh, dang it. So, I don't know what that is. Right, learn combo. Oh, dang! I'm so dead. I'm so killed. Yeah. Oh, but I'm out. I can't take no more yet. All right. Oh, we are so we're getting drilled right now. Until this happens. Ugh! I somehow get. Dang! This guy's got skills! I don't know what to do about this. Follow directions, please. Alright, 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 alright. Swim 3. That means... Fine. I'm only showing you combo. Are you on PC? No. Laptop. No. Laptop. Let me... Ah, of course. Stop. Go. Stop. Stop. Okay. I only say it 3 times. Not so fast. I know this guy. He comes after me. Alright. I messed up. It was at that moment. I messed up. I messed up. Oh, this guy's messed up. Ugh. 1v1. That's not good. I already messed up, dude. Yeah. Use Z. I can't do anything. I disconnected so bad. Alright, I just disconnected somehow. I don't know how, but I just did. Alright then, this guy's finished. I'm already done with it. Well, I think I have made an eternal mistake. This guy loves Skull Wi-Fi lol. You shouldn't. What if it restricts Roblox? On the rift. Really isn't doing anything. What is this guy doing? Bro, I was about to be. Oh, this guy's armed with a Tommy gun. I'm going to. Alright, I'm just going to. Oh, what's